Hey there, welcome. I am going to go over what sold the past few days. We had some decent sales and one really big sale that was exciting, so stay tuned to the end for that one. First up is this Robert Graham shirt. It sold for $35 and shipping, and we paid $3 for this. A few things with Robert Graham. Usually we found the crazier or more colorful the design, the better it does. Also, this is a size 3XL, and a lot of times with clothing in general, the hard to find sizes do really well for us on eBay, so keep an eye out for those. One last thing to take note of is flip cuff sleeves on men's dress shirts. That is where the pattern on the inside of the cuff is different than on the outside. It's a good keyword to include in your title and to be aware of. We also sold a bunch of video games this week. We paid about $1 for each of these. First up is this Soul Calibur game. This sold for $21.95. Next up is Super Smash Bros. It sold for $22 and free shipping. Sonic was $11.99 and free shipping. This Wii Sports game sold for $22.99 and free shipping. GoldenEye was $10.99 and free shipping. We love selling video games. They're super easy to store and ship and photograph, so it's a win-win all the way around. This is a Mario Brothers Sluggers Wii game for $31.99. Mario Party 8 sold for $29.95 and free shipping. And last but not least, for our video games that sold this week was the Super Mario Brothers game. This was new and we sold it for $23.99 plus free shipping. I think we sold all of these games within a day of listing them as well. So these do really well for us and are really quick movers. We also sold this Wii remote. This was $1 and it sold for $22. So a few other items that we already shipped out but sold was this North Face women's fleece jacket. We paid $1 for this and it sold for $24.99 plus shipping. So sold this Patagonia backpack. We paid $5 for this and it sold for $51 plus shipping. This Cobra CB truck radio sold for $54.99 plus shipping. We paid $8 for that we picked up at a yard sale. And we sold another Robert Graham shirt, paid $3 for that. It sold for $23.99 plus shipping. We had a few larger items as well that we sold. This bow we actually got from a friend who was just trying to get rid of it. And we sold it for $100 plus $30 shipping. We also sold this Rainbow vacuum. We paid $30 for this and it sold for $100 plus $50 shipping. So we were happy to see that one go. And last up for our biggest sale of the week was this Hobart meat tenderizer. We paid $225 for this at a thrift store, so we did pay up a bit for this. But it sold for $1,100 and $125 shipping. So that's a great ROI and we were really excited to see that sell. Anyway, that is a highlight of the sales we've had the past few days. Thank you so much for watching and happy thrifting.